I just get. Ooh.
Watch out, dude.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna have to spend about an hour photographing this thing.
Yes. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep this short. Lifer, Sonoran coral snake. I could not be more excited. That's all I have because I'm about to cry. He's trying to bite the glove.
Oh, that's great.
Oh man, look at him trying to bite. You're too cute. You can't do nothing. That's cool. I heard like the little cloacal popping too. Did you hear it a second ago?
Yeah.
The little farting noise.
Yeah, a little farty noise. Yep.
Yeah, right.
I don't know why I have to say cloacal popping and try to sound smart. He farted. Thank you. Look at him. He's really trying to bite.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh, guys. If you guys want to photograph him, I'll just see